All right, let's take a break on some history and let us make some real food. Okay, so you want to make a delicious pizza, huh? Well, first things first, grab yourself some pizza dough. None of that store-bought stuff, we're going homemade here. Roll it out nice and thin, just like your patience when waiting for pizza delivery. Next, slap on some tomato sauce. Don't be stingy now. We want that sauce dripping off the edges like a waterfall of flavor. Now comes the fun part. Toppings. Get creative, throw on some pepperoni, mushrooms, maybe even some pineapple if you're feeling adventurous. Just don't tell any Italians. Lastly, sprinkle on some cheese. And I'm not talking about a light dusting, I'm talking about a blizzard of mozzarella. Pop that bad boy in the oven and wait for the magic to happen. And there you have it, a delicious pizza made with love and a sprinkle of humor. Enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Beat that algorithm.